Only girls can hear this sound. Yep, you heard it right. In this video, I will play a special sound for you. This sound has a high frequency, and I believe only girls can hear it. For boys, there is very little chance that they can hear this sound. Yes, so let's see if you can hear this sound or not. Are you ready? Only fast people can like and subscribe before I play the sound. Sound that only girls can hear will play in 3, 2, 1. Did you hear it? Let me play it again with 200% louder volume. Now, did you hear it? Tell me in the comments.